every second, every minute. Man, I swear that she can feel it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell her put the lights down right now. Put me in the I'm talking about dark go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. You're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie. Sorry, they say conversation. Rule a nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it. Don't you want? Oh, what it touches, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you want it wrong. Oh, what it touches, put it in the song. Alright.
Alright, since my phone died, I just finished putting the rest of the tubing back together. This is intercooler piping and the intake tubing. Put the turbo on. I forgot these, but I'm not going to put these on. It's just bracing to evenly distribute the load on the bolts into the exhaust manifold. Here's the wrapped cat. New bolts. All I have to do is put a banjo bolt onto the top, which is the oil feed line. I just got to tighten these. Vacuum pump is on. all this is done. All the coolant lines are ran. This is done here. All this is good. Here's the connect the O2 sensor down at the bottom. And I have the O2 sensor here. And I have the bracket as well. I'll keep this bolt together so I don't misplace that. And we have the serpentine belt on. All this is good. Harmonic balancer. Everything's set to go here. So, we're going to finish up. We're going to put our valve cover on. And then all we have to do in the morning is put our turbo blanket on. We'll put the rest of the piping on here. Our air box. Plug everything in. Oh, and then we'll put our coolant reservoir in. We can start it up obviously without coolant in it, but we can pressure fill it with coolant. That's it.
I said, skirt all niggas, skirt up all niggas, skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well, promise I won't cry over spilled milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another valve, give me another hour or two. I war with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you do better than you do. Call me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. We do whatever we want, go wherever we want, love whatever we want, it don't matter. You do whatever I want, get whatever I want, get whatever I need. It's about no, long as we got long as we got never gave you my number. I did it with you. Should never let you hit it. I split it with you. I regret it. You got a fetish. You got a problem. Now it's a problem. Oh no. Skirt on beaches. Don't know these features. Big skirt on beaches. Do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady, love to my lady. Dated a few.
Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me like my side of real. That's that most city, that side that you can't go around at night. You like to get me high, you know what, no I'm Messiah. You like when I make fire, you say the flame can make you fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. That's the distance, only thing that's the whip. Only thing that was real, only thing I can feel. So why you bother me, why you bother me? Trying to control me.
Long as we got
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stating me obvious, but you guessed it. Oh, yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm bothered, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the other hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Go tell what you know, what you see. You thought you was a nigga fucking bitches. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Keeping on your friend that I was cool. They don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amused me. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid. And it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. What you see, how I did it on the low. Tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas I'm just living. Tell them now you thought you was the nigga, fuck them bitches. Now you wishing you were with me, living life so chill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably